In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Adsense account. Google Adsense has become a vital tool for bloggers, website owners, and digital content creators looking to monetize their online presence. By allowing Google to place ads on your website, you can earn revenue based on site visits and ad clicks. The process is straightforward, but there are key steps and tips you'll want to follow to ensure a smooth setup. Let's dive in. Firstly, begin by navigating to Google AdSense's official website. You can find it easily by searching for Google AdSense in your preferred search engine or by typing adsense.google.com into your browser's address bar. This page is your gateway to starting your journey towards monetizing your website. Once you're on the AdSense homepage, you'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed. This is your next click. For those who already have a Google account, which includes users with Gmail addresses, YouTube accounts, or anyone who has previously used a Google service, signing in will be a familiar process. If you happen to be new to Google services, this moment also gives you the opportunity to create a new account. After clicking on Sign In, you will be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for AdSense. It's important here to choose an account you're comfortable associating with your financial information and one you regularly check. AdSense will use this account to communicate important notices, including payments. Now, once you've signed in or created your new Google account, the next step involves your website. AdSense will ask you to enter the URL of the site you want to display ads on. This is a critical step. Make sure that you enter the correct web page, as this is where Google will be sending traffic and placing ads. If you don't have a website ready, there are numerous resources available online to help you get started with building one. Following the entry of your website URL, you will be asked to provide additional information about yourself and your site. One of the most crucial pieces of information you'll input is the country of your payment address. This needs to be accurate because Google AdSense will use this information to determine the currency you'll be paid in and to ensure you're complying with the appropriate tax laws. It's important to double check all the information you enter during this part of the process for accuracy and completeness. After filling out all the required fields, there's just one step left. Clicking on Start using AdSense. By now you've provided Google with all the information needed to evaluate your application. Google will review your website to ensure it complies with their ad policies, which is standard procedure. This can include, but is not limited to, checking that your content is original, accessible, and valuable to an audience. The review process might take some time, so patience is key. Finally, while you wait for Google's approval, it's an ideal time to familiarize yourself with the AdSense platform and its features. Look through the optimization tips, check out the help center for any queries you might have, and understand the best practices for a successful AdSense account. Making the most out of AdSense requires not just having it set up, but also understanding how to optimize your ads for maximum revenue without compromising the user experience on your site. To wrap it up, creating a Google AdSense account is a straightforward process that opens the door to earning revenue from your website. By following these steps and paying close attention to the quality of your site and compliance with Google's guidelines, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your website's financial potential. Remember, success with AdSense doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, quality content, and a strategy to ensure your audience finds value in what you offer, making them more likely to engage with the ads presented. Keep learning, keep improving, and let Google AdSense be a tool that supports your journey towards financial success online. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.